After spending a few days recovering in our Airbnb from the mystery bug, it was time to get back on our feet exploring, making the most of the little time we had left in Hobart. We hit the road headed for Mountfield National Park, 73 kilometres northwest of Hobart, opting for Russell Falls, another of Tasmania's 60 great short walks. You know the feeling, after being sick, when you're still not 100%, you feel out of breath and your hearing is foggy. Well, after struggling through this very basic conversation along the track, I spent the next few days referring to the patamelon as a panda melon.
What's he called?
No idea.
Puddy melon.
No, patamelon.
Patamelon.
Patamelon. There you go. Never heard of it.
I thought him a kangaroo.
Patamelon.
Oh, mate. Arriving at what is said to be the most photographed waterfall in Tasmania, it was time to set up the tripod and slow down the shutter speed. Feeling like we had a little more energy in the tank, we decided to climb the stairs to Horseshoe Falls, and were greeted with this epic view to catch our breath to. Leaving the falls, we drove an hour to Richmond to check out Old Hobart Town, a tiny model village of Hobart in 1820. Walking between the scenes, we searched for the hidden figures marked on the map. Our energy draining and delirium setting in, we walked down to Australia's oldest stone bridge, Richmond's Arch Bridge, built by convicts in 1825.
Hello.
Yep.
Low shot baby. The low shot baby. Who that?
Tyres are looking a bit thin.
With a lot of travel ahead of us, we booked the car into Bridgestone to get a new set of tyres, grabbing breakfast and walking around the city while we waited. Oh, they're fresh. They got actual depth. Like, I can stick my finger in that and it's not level.
Whoopsies.
Ah, that's what tyres are supposed to look like. So, it's 11:30 and I've come out to try and capture some of the southern lights, or the Aurora Australis, which are on at the moment. The Facebook group for it has been getting notifications. There's lots of people saying that they're seeing it, different parts of Tassie. Can't see anything with the eye at the moment, but on the long exposure I'm starting to see some greens coming through, I learned a lot about the Aurora over these nights, and while I didn't get the shots I was hoping for, it made me more keen than ever to go to Iceland and capture the northern lights at their best.
Super still at the moment, and unfortunately there is a fair bit of cloud cover, so what I'm seeing on the camera is I'm getting a lot of the green coming. A lot of the green is starting to show up over here just above all of the mountains across there. However, there's so much cloud cover on top, I don't think we're going to see too much tonight, not from here. Keep trying for a little bit, see what happens.
Waking up the next morning, we jumped in the car and headed to Southport for a pint at Australia's most southern pub. What we weren't expecting was the landscape to look like a scene from James Cameron's Avatar. Join us in the next episode when we are back camping in the rain.